When the engineering team at Quantum Rehab started the design process of the Q6 Power Chair series, we had some very specific objectives in mind and some ambitious goals to accomplish. These goals weren't just dreamed up by a team of engineers in the lab, they were provided by real people like you, with real-world concerns and considerations. We talked extensively to providers, clinicians, and most importantly, power chair users, and found out what you were looking for. Input came from a number of sources, from one-on-one interaction at industry events, to online research, talking to people on our own internet message board, Pride Web Talk, and the very popular Wheelchair Junkie website run by Mark Smith, a project manager here at Pride. It became quite clear that you wanted a power chair with more power and torque to handle everyday obstacles. You told us that stability was an important factor, and you said that your power chair had to be reliable and easy to service. The Q6 series team got to work creating a power chair that would include all of these factors, and we started by addressing the need for more power and torque. That's the one feature that was repeated most often from people who wanted a product that would handle life's obstacles indoors and out. The Q6 series is going to be the most innovative rehab power chair available, and the way to start was by completely changing the way we looked at power chair motors. In the past, motor manufacturers dictated the motor specifications. They said, here's your motor, you do the rest. With the Q6, we designed the motor ourselves, to our specifications, with the power and torque customers demanded. We built a prototype, and we gave it to the manufacturers and told them, this is what we need. Next, we focused on the frame and the suspension, which had to provide the stability and performance that you demanded. We created the Q6 series geometrically based design platform, making it feel extremely stable, highly maneuverable, and very intuitive to drive. The motors and design platform meant the major elements of the Q6 series were in place, but there was a lot of work to be done before production could begin. In our state-of-the-art testing facility, we have a team of experts that assess the strength, durability, and overall performance of newly designed products. They also test modifications to existing products and individual component parts we plan to use. While we're required by law to meet certain testing requirements, our own standards are far more exacting. And with the Q6 series, we took it to an even higher level. Because we are Quantum Rehab, the Q6 series had to have full rehab capabilities. Q6 power chairs are available with our True Balance 2 seating system, the most advanced, adaptable rehab seating system in the industry. And speaking of the latest technology, Q6 power chairs are compatible with the Q-Logic drive control system, an innovative drive control system packed with industry-first features that power chair users needed but never had. You challenged us to build something that had never existed before, a power chair with the power and the torque and stability to handle all kinds of terrain and go places other power chairs couldn't. We responded by changing the rules of power chair design and testing. The result is the Q6 Power Chair Series. When you try the Q6 Series, you'll feel the power.